Hi. Think back to the last blog post you read. Did you skim through it as opposed to reading it because the introduction didn't keep your attention? Did the content seem to ramble as opposed to getting to the point in a helpful and practical way? Were you unable to find a helpful next step to continue your journey? If you answered yes to all of these questions, then chances are the author who wrote the blog post didn't pay close enough attention to the structure of their content, and they're suffering the consequences. You, along with many others, stopped reading the post. All effective blog posts have a blueprint. You may not easily see it, but it's there, and it's meant to help you, the reader, through your journey to making a well-informed, confident decision, whatever that decision may be. Here are a list of reasons why your blog post needs structure. To start, it gives you direction. The last thing you want is to stare at a screen frustrated that you don't know what to write about. Next, it will make your content creation time more effective and efficient. Using a template creates helpful guardrails. Without it, you could easily spend your time creating content that may get cut out before publishing. Next, you want readers to easily comprehend what it is you're trying to tell them. If your content is too complicated and unengaging, then chances are readers will abandon it and go elsewhere. There's thousands of blog posts being published every minute, so it's safe to say you're not the only resource out there competing for attention. And lastly, you want your readers to remember what you write about and feel excited and inspired to take the next step in their journey. So if your goal is to attract your ideal audience, engage them with helpful, useful content, and ultimately delight them to the point where they become promoters of your brand by sharing your content with their network, then you need to create content that has structure and tells a story.